Hey guys, it's Nicole. Today I am going to do one of my prep videos that I have done in the past for this class. I really want to finish up this sketch class. I am going to have to do some explaining kind of as we go through here. I was starting out being pretty organized where I was doing 5 at a time. I'd show you my prep, I'd work through all 5, show you my prep, work through all 5, that kind of thing. Now, I have since sort of, I've skipped ahead for various reasons, gotten myself all mixed up. So at this point, 1 through 10 are for sure done. There's videos for them. They are in my playlist for 6x6 sketches. This would be 11. 11, I actually started. I need to finish. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take this to a crop with me to finish. And then 12, I'm pretty sure I did a bowling layout for. 13, I'm not 100% sure. I can't find the sketch. I did go back and watch my own prep video, and I know I did not make the layout, so I'm going to see if I can find it. If not, I'll just reprint it, and I know which photos I was going to do, so we'll go from there. This 14 I actually already did because I swapped this stuff out for a cut to you cut file. This one I did, it was part of Creating with Collections Volume 3. And then at that point, that's going to bring me up to 16. And these are not as like organized or prepared like how I would normally want to. But I'm in the process of cleaning and packing for a crop, so I'm kind of just trying to get things going. So I pulled these all out with the plan to go ahead and try and get these done at the crop. So I don't actually have any like 6x6 like swim themed pads. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dive like generic pads like B-sides and kind of see what I can come up with. And then I just grabbed a whole bunch of random summer stickers and die cuts and things like that I'm just going to go ahead and pack with this and kind of have this do the heavy lifting for the theme and kind of let the papers take a back seat. So I'm going to see where that takes me. I'm almost pretty sure I have the I Heart Summer 6x6, but I don't know if I used it up or not. I might look one more time and see if I have it. If not, I'm going to move on. Like I said, I'm just going to use B-sides. So that's 16. 17, I had printed these. When I was looking for 6x6 pads, I kept going. I have like a bin that I keep like all my simple stories, like embellishments and stuff in. And I have a bunch of these old snap packs. Now, these are like family lines, but there's a lot of like house icons, and I like the colors, and I have yet to use them. And these are 6 inches wide, and because of the way that this sketch is, you've got 6-inch wide strips. So I think I'm just going to use the back sides of a lot of these cards and kind of make my own. And then between the cards and the stickers and random stuff, I've got embellishments. And then, yeah, so I think that's the plan for this one. Now, 18, right? 16, 17, 18. And again, I printed my photos a really long time ago. So these ones are from a baby shower. I actually just went and pulled a whole thing that I bought. I refuse to tell you how many years ago. Have yet to use. I am going to go ahead and take the 12x12 papers with it because I think I'm just going to go ahead and use a whole sheet of the pattern paper as my background and then kind of dip into the 6x6s and maybe even some of like these types of things. I don't even know. Like I said, I bought this stuff so long ago. Don't anybody look up how old this is. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and dip into this and get this used. So that one was 18. So far we're still going in order. Now 19, apparently the cat has been up here. 19, I can't find it. So I don't know if I had printed photos for this or not. So I need to reprint this sketch and kind of come up with a plan for this and see what I want to do for this one. 20 I really struggled with just because I don't necessarily love the design of the sketch. So I printed out some photos from our zoo trip, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to take my zoo kit with me to the crop. If not, I'm going to try to do these in order. When I get to 20, more than likely I will be home and have access to all my zoo stuff, which I'm pretty sure there's 6x6s in there. If not, there's tons of scraps that I'm going to use for that. So I've got, I've got two that I kind of need to keep digging for. This one I know I printed photos for. This one I can't remember, and I didn't film a prep video for me to go back and watch and remind myself. So that's kind of where I'm at today. Like I said, I do kind of want to take some of these with me to the crop just so that I'm not only working on my Cocoa Vanilla kit. I kind of want to be able to mix it up when I get bored. So I think I'm going to take this and a couple of these with me. So with that, just a quick prep video. I know a lot of you guys find these helpful. I'm hoping to get this class finished because my brain is already kind of eyeing another sketch bundle that I want to do another work through, so I really want to get this done before I move on. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys here, and as always, I thank you guys for hanging out and watching.